She's getting mad now.
Don't just watch TV. Turn back TV.
Say hello to my Popeyes Wicked Chicken. Add a biscuit and fries, and for just $3.99, you buy a meal that'll make you clean surrender. And try a glass of my cane sweet iced tea, sweetened only with pure cane sugar.
Most brewers have a dash of hops. We use a pound of hops per barrel. We add some caramel malt to that. Samuel Adams Lager is a full-bodied, complex beer, but everything is there in balance. We have a
So,
deviation from the rest of
6, almost 15 already.